Connecting your hosting a domain onto Netlify actually is quite easy. First of all, open up the Netlify dashboard right here, and then also open up the hosting a dashboard. I will leave you links to both tools down below. Now, once right here, select the domain which you want to actually manage. So click on manage right here on the right, and then head back to Netlify. Select the project where you want to add this domain onto. In my case, this is going to be this one. And right here on the top right, you can usually find the domain management tab. Otherwise, you can also select it on the left. Right here, click on add a domain and select on add a domain you already own, okay? And then simply just insert the domain name from right here. So I'm just going to paste this in, and as you can see, this is now going to be selected. We can then click on add domain, and usually this is then going to actually give us DNS records which we can then actually use. So right here for the DNS configuration, we will basically have to add these DNS records onto this. So we will have to first of all head back to Hostinger, open up the DNS/name server settings, delete all of the previous name servers which you have set up, and in this case we will have to create an A record with this value right here. Okay, so I'm just going to select, basically I'm going to put in this value, and the type is going to be an A record, and then click on add record. Okay, and then for the second one right here, make sure to create a C name. Right here, select it. For the name, simply put in www, and then copy this from right here and paste this in as the target. Now we have now successfully added all of the records. However, one thing to note is that usually this is going to take a couple of minutes to hours to actually update, but in this case, as you can see, this has been successfully verified, and we can then actually use this domain on our own project. Now if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.